Which power of 2 gives you 32? Is it A, 2 to the power of 2, B, 2 to the power of 3, C, 2 to the power of 4, or D, 2 to the power of 5?
Welcome to Nova Mathics! Today's topic is exponents. Let's learn how repeated multiplication can be written in a super short way. Let's go!
1. What is the value of 2 squared? Correct answer is 4. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 times 2, which equals 4. 2. Which of the following is equal to 3 to the power of 3? Correct answer is 3 to the power of 3, which means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. 3. What does 5 to the power of 2 mean? Correct answer is 5 to the power of 2, which means 5 times 5, which equals 25. 4. Which expression shows 4 raised to the power of 3? Correct answer is C, 4 to the power of 3, means 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 5. What is the value of 10 to the power of 1? Correct answer is 10. 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. 6. What is the value of 6 to the power of 2? Correct answer is 36. 6 to the power of 2 means 6 times 6, which is 36. 7. Which expression equals 2 to the power of 3? Correct answer is C. 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. 8. What is 7 to the power of 1? Correct answer is 7. 7 to the power of 1 is just 7. 9. What is the value of 9 to the power of 2? Correct answer is 81. 9 to the power of 2 is 9 times 9, which is 81. 10. Which number equals 4 to the power of 2? Correct answer is 16. 4 to the power of 2 means 4 times 4, which is 16. 11. What is the value of 3 to the power of 2? Correct answer is 9. 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which equals 9. 12. What does 8 to the power of 1 equal? Correct answer is 8. 8 to the power of 1 is just 8. 13. What is the value of 2 to the power of 4? Correct answer is 16. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16. 14. Which of these equals 1 to the power of 3? Correct answer is 1. 1 to the power of 3 is still 1. 15. What is 7 to the power of 2? Correct answer is 49. 7 to the power of 2 means 7 times 7, which is 49. 16. Which of these equals 3 times 3 times 3? Correct answer is B. 3 times 3 times 3 is the same as 3 to the power of 3. 17. If 10 to the power of 2 equals 100, what does 10 to the power of 3 equal? Correct answer is 1,000. 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. 18. Which expression equals 5 to the power of 2? Correct answer is C. 5 squared means 5 times 5, which equals 25. 19. What is the value of 5 to the power of 0? Correct answer is 1. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. That's a special math rule. 20. Which power equals 64? Correct answer is B. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 21. How many times do you multiply 2 and 2 to the power of 5? Correct answer is 5. In 2 to the power of 5, you multiply 2 5 times. 22nd. Which of these equals 6 times 6 times 6 times 6? Correct answer is C. 6 to the power of 4 is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 23rd. Which power of 2 gives you 32? Correct answer is D. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. 24. Which is the same as 1 to the power of 100? Correct answer is 1. 1 raised to any power is still 1. 25. Which expression is correct for 10 times 10? Correct answer is C. 10 times 10 equals 10 squared, which is 100. 26. Which of these shows 7 squared? Correct answer is D. 7 squared is 49. 27. What is the value of 11 to the power of 2? answer is 121. 11 times 11 equals 121. 28. Which number makes this true? X to the power of 2 equals 36. Correct answer is 6. 6 squared equals 36, so the answer is 6. 29. What's the value of 4 to the power of 3? Correct answer is 64. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 30. Which one means squared? Correct answer is 2 to the power of 2. Squared means to the power of 2. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.